Okay, you're gonna get to see. Hi guys, it's baking with me and Mommy. So right now we have the big bowl and we're gonna pour the batter. Okay, here we go. I love baking.
Go get 3 eggs.
3 eggs? Gotcha. We are back with 3 eggs. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Right there. Micah, calm down. You're just playing Fortnite. Like. Okay. 1 cup of water. 1 cup of water. Sorry. Mommy will be back shortly. He's just getting Can I mix, Mommy?
Yeah.
Okay. Time to. We can't forget about the oil. Mix, whisk. Can you hold the camera on me, please? Whiska. Wait, that's a lot. It looks like we're gonna have to be making cake today. Stop slapping my butt. Sorry guys, she's a baby. She doesn't really understand, so it's okay. But like, all you have to do is say stop, cause like, she's still a human too, so she'll listen. This smells like the batter thing. Okay, I'm gonna get the pan out so we can put it in a cake.
Give me the oil again.
You want to do this pan too? I'm gonna need it.
Okay, give me that pan.
Pour the sofa. I want to pour this one in. Okay. Can I pour this one in? Excuse me for the...
Okay, take out all this stuff.
No, not that one.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wow. Stay tuned for the frosting. Wait, we can't pause it? Got my hands a little bit dirty, but that's okay. Baking in the kitchen with me and my sister.
Turn on the oven.
First. Okay, put it to 450. And let that girl bake. Let it bake. In the meantime, let me show you what I'm gonna frost. We got sprinkles, sprinkles, sprinkles. I also have cake frosting decoration. We also have this tube that we bought when we were coming. I bought way more stuff than that, so like confetti and sprinkles. And so it's gonna take 1 hour about to bake. So